Discover Sugar Defender, an innovative solution to support blood sugar levels, formulated to maintain healthy glucose and combat persistent body fat. With 24 clinically proven ingredients, this natural formula offers a rich variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to cleanse, restore, and renew your entire body system. Experience the multiple benefits of Sugar Defender, including enhanced insulin sensitivity, boosted metabolic functions, sustained energy throughout the day, accelerated fat burning, and improved cognitive function. This powerful formula is designed to help your body face the challenges of the modern diet, providing well-being and vitality. Discover the powerful ingredients of Sugar Defender, such as eleuthero, coleus, maca root, gymnema, African mango, guarana, and chromium. Each component undergoes advanced research to ensure effectiveness, providing stability in blood sugar levels, immune support, and optimization of metabolic functions. Buy with confidence, as Sugar Defender is backed by our satisfaction guarantee. Manufactured in an FDA and GMP certified facility, this supplement is formulated without synthetic substances, offering you safe and effective results.